Most photographers spend hours and hours scrolling. Very few spend time studying. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. One of the fastest ways to improve your photography doesn't cost a penny, and that's to study the work of great photographers. Not to copy them, not to compete with them, but to understand why their images work. When you study photographs, you start to notice the light, the composition, the moment, the story, and the intent behind the image. Every great photograph you analyze adds something to your visual library. And here's the thing, if you don't fill that library deliberately, it fills randomly. And random input usually leads to random output. So next time you find yourself scrolling, stop, pick one image you love and ask yourself, why does this photograph work? That one question can teach you more than an hour of mindless scrolling. So don't just consume great photography, actually study it. Because every image you understand helps you create better ones of your own. If you'd like to dive deeper, check out episode 11 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. And if you'd like to learn alongside a supportive community of photographers, come and join us in our Photography Foundations community over on School. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you soon.